If you've got a few offcuts of plywood, a bit of dowel and about an hour to spare, you can build one of these. It's a 4-bottle beer caddy, simple, solid and beginner friendly. It's a great little project for gifts, barbecues or just looking like someone who knows their way around a workshop. Right, here's what you'll need. 18mm plywood, scrap is fine. An 18mm hardwood dowel, this one's beech but use whatever you've got, some screws and wood glue. You'll also need a saw, any will do, hand saw, circular saw, table saw or mitre saw. You need a drill driver, a bit of sandpaper or a sander. You'll also want something to measure and mark with, and a clamp or two are always handy things if you've got them. But honestly, if you've got the basics, you're good to go. Let's cut the parts. I'll put the dimensions on screen now, and you can pause here if you want to copy them down, but I'll also put a link to a free set of plans in the description below. You'll need 2 end panels with rounded top corners, a base, 2 sides and a handle, which is the dowel cut to width. Once you've got all your pieces cut, clamp the 2 end panels together using double-sided tape and mark out where the handle's going to go. Drill them both at once so that the holes line up perfectly. Then we'll cut the end panels to shape with the jigsaw. And I'll take them to the disc sander to get them to the final size. Once that's done, separate the 2 pieces and give the edges of all the parts a quick sand just to knock off any sharp edges and remove any splinters. This project doesn't need a high level of finishing. It's a beer caddy after all, and it's going to get knocked about. Now for assembly. We're using simple butt joints with glue and screws. I like to pre-drill these to avoid splitting. We'll start by attaching the sides to the base. Check for square as you go, but it really doesn't need to be perfect, and to be honest, as long as you line up the edges of the boards, it will be more than close enough. Then the end panels go on. With the dowel handle fitted between them. I'm fixing mine in place with a couple of 20mm screws, but you could just glue it in place if you prefer. As a final touch, I'm adding a bottle opener to one of the end panels with some 16mm screws. This is an entirely optional but very useful addition to the caddy. Once it's together, give it a final once over with some sandpaper, especially the edges and the corners, just to make sure there are no sharp bits left. If you want to finish it, a bit of oil or wax goes a long way, but it's your project, and if you want to stain it and give it a high gloss varnish, go for it. You could also paint it if you want to, or just leave it as bare wood. It's totally up to you. I'm keeping this one bare as I actually like the plywood look. And that's it, a quick and useful project that doesn't need a workshop full of tools. If you build one, tag me or drop a photo in the comments, I'd love to see it. And if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner friendly builds, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.